Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me a free product, and we're just going to do a review on this. It is the ShowerShroom Stealth. And so this little guy goes over your shower drain, and it collects all the hair, and then you can just easily remove the hair out, and it allows the never to have a plugged drain again. So let's just pull that out of the package here and see how that works. So all you basically do is you put that over the top of your shower drain, and then the hair goes in here, in this area right here, and that is what you will clean out after every shower or two. Pretty ingenious, and this clamps down over your shower. Pretty cool. So let's put it in our shower and just see what it looks like, shall we? All right, so we're gonna take our ShowerShroom like this, and we're just gonna simply clean the area. I purposely left some hair in there just so we have something to collect. And we're just going to put that down over our drain, like so. And then I got a little extra hair here. Wait for that to drain down, and then we'll look in the ShowerShroom, and look at there. There's all your hair, not down the drain, but in the ShowerShroom, and we can just simply clean that away with our fingers. I would say if you're in a house with girls or dogs or balding old men, get yourself a ShowerShroom.